recording?
Yeah.
More random, more funny, though.
Ow!
What's the scene?
It is not nice to make fun of donkeys.
Who made fun of donkeys? You got a black woman?
Yeah.
Okay. Are we going to play or not?
We're playing
What is that?
Yeah, Chris and I are doing a scene. Sam is going to do his sound effects. Rob will do mine.
Okay, mix it up.
What's the scene?
Okay,
Mitch!
Feeling my joke.
I've never played this before. So y'all gotta. I don't.
Okay, basically, we'll be giving a
Sarah, what is your mom doing? Okay. You work at Big Rock.
Okay.
You're complaining because you bought a stereo that doesn't work.
Okay.
Are you sure it's not a microwave?
Alright.
So wait, is this my counter?
If you want it to be.
We gotta make sure you project so we can hear you. This one's not free. He just does all of the sound effects for you.
Okay, hang on.
Make sure you announce it.
Stay out of my way, stay out of my way, stay out of my way.
Cupboard and open it and grab you a new one. Okay, so
Like that, and then
let's test it, see if it works. But this lasts really? Okay.
Okay, can we start now?
Yeah.
Yes. Alright, excuse me, sir. I bought this stereo from you guys a while ago, and it doesn't seem to be working.
And?
Okay, for example, every time I turn it on, I asked for a specific artist because the radio gives me whatever artist I want, and it gave me something completely different. Watch, if I ask for whatever, Kanye West, it's like, Lady Gaga. I just know that are wrong. Alright, let's see if this one works. Let's try,
Lady Gaga.
Time for Nickelback this time. Just for the sake of hoping something different comes up.
Shit.
No. You have to do it. It's with a mallet. Wait.
Now you know?
Wait.
I tripped and I'm not even standing. Wait a minute. Wait, one more thing. Let me go get the manager.
Manager now. What are we doing?
Yeah.
Okay, manager, we got a complicated order.
Should I do it now? Like you
Mitch, you do light sound effects.
Did I?
Your mom quickly?
Move out! You just destroyed our merchandise! You gave me a cow mallet, what do you expect?
How are you going to trust that minority?
He has a point, sir.
Shut up!
Oh my God! Who got security? Come on!
Throw down.
Wait, we get arrested.
Blood.
Wait, I'm alive!
So am I, this sucks, where's my cow mallet?
Okay,
Alright,